How to activate Instagram quiet mode on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can activate Instagram quiet mode on your phone. So in order to enable or activate quiet mode on Instagram, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and also update your application. So then to begin with, log in into your Instagram account, and after that go to your profile icon or just tap on the profile icon, and this is going to take you to the profile page. Over here, tap on the three lines icon, go to settings and privacy. As soon as you've done that, on the other interface, scroll down a bit, go to notification. So here you can see under notification there is quiet mode. In order to turn it on, toggle the switch. You'll need to select the start time, and after that you'll need to select the end time as well. Once you've done this, you'll have successfully turned on your quiet mode. So in order to disable it, do the same procedure. Come back to the same page and toggle the switch and click on turn off quiet mode, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can activate Instagram quiet mode on your phone. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.